sounds like a midlife crisis. Not gonna lie, I am screaming midlife crisis every single day. So my name is Trey, and I know what you're thinking. Oh, great. Another middle-aged dude trying to do it, you know. Well, yeah, I know it probably screams middle-aged guy buying his first BMW, and it's got to be the Z4, and it's got to be the convertible sports car and all that. Sounds like a midlife crisis. Not gonna lie, I am screaming midlife crisis every single day, so I'm not gonna hide from it. I'm going to enjoy it, and we're gonna have fun with this car for damn sure. Just bought my first BMW. It is the Z4 E85 model, and I love it. So we're going to go through our journey with mods and upgrades, and we're gonna do some challenges. We're gonna do some challenges that haven't been done before. We're gonna do some weird stuff with some challenges with some of our other vehicles that we have, and even possibly other BMWs that are out here, or other sports cars, or whatever. But we're gonna have fun with this, and hope you guys enjoy the channel. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell and all that. But yeah, so the story behind this, a buddy of mine is getting ready to move to Boston, and he's got this, and he had a Corvette and a pickup, and he's gonna be moving to Cape Cod. Doesn't really need 3 vehicles, much less 2 sports cars at Cape Cod, and he chose the Corvette. So at first he was going to take the BMW and the Corvette, and I said, well, look, if you need someone to drive that, he's single, by the way, so if you need someone to drive it up there or whatever, road trip it with you, I'll be more than happy to go do that with you. And then I started thinking, I was like, man, I've always loved the Z4. I said, if you've ever thought about selling it, let me know, and I might be interested. And so months go by, and he was like, yeah, he goes, hey, are you serious about buying it? He's like, I think it's gonna be more of a hassle to have 2 vehicles up there. And I was like, absolutely, I'm interested. So test drove it, fell in love with it immediately. It's so fun to drive. More importantly, he said, all right, let's make a deal. So now I'm a proud owner of a BMW Z4, and I love it. Hasn't been driven. He's only got 100,000 miles on it the whole lifespan. So we're in 2022 right now. So, you know, pretty good mileage. Not a whole lot wrong. The good thing about having this is it's kind of over that 100,000 mile thing. So any of the major issues that would have come up with the car probably already happened. Obviously, we're going to have some little things here and there to fix and all of that. But I'm really looking forward to my journey with the BMW Z4. So I just wanted to come on here, introduce myself. My name is Trey, in case anyone gives a shit out there. It is what it is. But we're gonna have fun with the Z4, and I hope everybody enjoys our little passion and our story and our project with us. So guys, we will see you soon. And remember, don't dream it, drive it.